If your application for a Bluevine line of credit is showing as application pending, you can take a few steps to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to help expedite the process. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from Bluevine in your email. They may have sent you a request for additional information or documentation needed to process your application. Step 2. Review your application. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Bluevine's customer support for clarification on your application status. They can provide insights into why your application is pending and what steps you can take next. Step 4. Submit required documents. If Bluevine requests additional documents, gather and submit them promptly. This could include financial statements, identification, or other relevant paperwork that supports your application. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any requested documents, follow up with Bluevine to confirm receipt and inquire about the next steps. Keeping in touch can help ensure your application is processed as quickly as possible. By following these steps, you can help resolve the application pending status on your Bluevine line of credit. Good luck and stay proactive in your communication with Bluevine.